Alright people, I'm going to have a go at spraying my door. This is an oak Suffolk door from Travis Perkins. I'm going to whack some cover stain on it first. I've got my door set up so I can spin it over and do the other side. I've got one screw here right in the middle, same the other ends, and then one screw at the ends, and then there's a bit of string with some weight on it, and then when I want to flip it over I just move it to the other side like that. The door manufacturer said to put the door furniture on first, or at least get it ready and cut it out. I've used the Jig Tech stuff and I didn't realise that the, what are they called, latches or whatever, they just get stuck in the door, so they're going to have to stay there. I've masked them up. I bought myself a HVLP Graco professional spray gun thing. I've never used one before. I'm not really sure how to use it. We're going to mix up some paint. We're going to go for it. I've asked on a forum what needle to use, and they said use a 4, and the cover stain, he said that's one of the hardest things to learn how to spray with. So I'm not sure how this is going to go, but we're going to give it a go. Guess what? That didn't record. Don't worry, we got the other side. I've just done a light coat to begin with. That has raised the grain, you know, when it gets a little bit furry. So I'm going to leave it, say, for an hour, and then I'll come back. I'll knock it back with, say, 240 grit. After that, I'll give it a thicker coat, and then I'll leave it there. This is going on temporarily until a few weeks' time when I actually do the proper paintwork. Second coat down, I think that went all right. You might have seen I started spraying it in that corner because I filled up with more paint. When I started spraying, I realised it was coming out, it was a bit blotchy, like it was going to go orange peel. I don't know whether it'll show up on camera. I'll try and show you. So yeah, the paint wasn't thin enough, and so I stopped, thinned it down a little bit more, and then the rest was fine. So the fibres have come up a little bit again. I'll try and show you. Not as bad this time, but I don't know whether Is that a result of the actual paint that I'm using because it's shellac based, or it's because of the thinners that I'm putting in? I don't know. If you know, let me know. Right, I've cleaned out the gun. I was just going to put, oh, here's the thing. Here's a bit of a problem that I had. See this big part? It hangs down quite a lot. Because I had to hold it at an angle to get inside this bit, I've knocked it there. Can you see that? Other than that, it looks all right, doesn't it? Right, that's all done. I was just going to hang it. I'm second guessing myself now. I might go and get the proper paint and paint it properly. What would you do? Would you risk it? Would you just hang it up like this, or should I just paint it? Not sure. Anyway, thanks for watching. Give us a thumbs up. I'll see you later.